Hello everyone, myself Dana Mahangavade, working as a lecturer in Sangan Baswa Residential PU College, Kavalgi. I hope everything is good. This COVID 19 is not an endpoint to us. Of course, it is true that among us there is a fear, there is a isolation, there is a panic buying, and even the death. Have you noticed after so many years of the noise, we are hearing the sounds of the birds again? After a few weeks of quiet, the sky is no longer with the fumes but blue and clear. Yes, social distancing, which is a very crucial thing to tackle the COVID 19 crisis, the worry and the distance from the loved ones can be a tough on our mental health, especially for the students as they are getting isolated from their friends, the college, the schools, everything. But the very most important thing is that the social distancing doesn't mean that a social isolation or the loneliness, which is a most important thing which we have to know. The social distancing doesn't mean that the social isolation or the loneliness. If you people don't interact with the people, you will experience a rapid decline in the mood, energy and productivity. Yes, we we will be relying or we are relying on the modern technologies like Zoom, the Skype, Google Meet, the phone calls to stay in touch. Think it as a virtual social time. Think it as a virtual social time. It is a time for us, or it is time for you to be a very creative. It is time for you to explore your potential, seek new knowledge, and there are infinite of possibilities. Break through your limits. Come out of your comfort zones and be the best you can. This is a new norm. This new norm is a time for you to try something new. It is a very uh, peak time to try something new. It is completely fine for you people and to have a more virtual study sessions. Either it may be with your classmates or your friends. In this time, the social support or the virtual study group will generally outweigh the things to your focus. Okay, to keep one's morale up, it is very important to maintain the schedule which you had a prior. The maintaining schedule can make you feel like it's a normal running. Follow your regular routine. Follow your regular routine, whatever the routine you have earlier, before this lockdown, before this COVID crisis. Follow the same routine so that you feel very comfort to follow those routine, and maintain some healthy diets. This healthy diet will help you to increase your immunity as well as your physical activities. And even I recommend to engage in the physical activity. A physical activity here means an exercise. Go for an exercise for a while and again back to a routine. Have a adequate amount of sleep. As we people are in this lockdown, we are facing a less amount of sleep. Okay, because of use of heavy mobiles, the TV, the television, the different websites where the things are running up. Have an adequate sleep, have a regular routine. Yes, and use the strategies to resolve the stress in the past to know yourself the best. Okay. Yes, I know these are uncertain times, but trust me when I say that your mindset and how you react to the situation are more important. All you need is to use this opportunity and try. Okay, you need to use this opportunity and try. And students, so there is one thing that you people have to do is never lose your hope, never give up, and fight the negativity, and never stop trying. this is very important. Try something new, try, but don't cry. This pandemic is not going to stop us for achieving something in life. This is what I wanted to say, and I wish all the best for all the students out there, and thank you.